Describe a picture of you that you like. Okay. Nowadays almost everyone become a photographer because of mobile phone. Everyone have a smartphone. That's why everyone take a picture every situation. Okay, now I'd like to talk about a picture I would really like to take in. Mm, I'm a traveler. I like to exploring any kind of natural place. A few days ago, I go a natural place. It's call it. Bulagons, nearby Sylhet cities, and I go with my friends, some friends, and then go there and took lots of picture because of we are meet almost 3 years back, and that's why we are take a picture and uploading Facebook and other social media, and suddenly when I come back my home, then I suddenly watch a picture that I really like because of in my backside I saw a mountain, like a big mountain, and is my face is almost smiling, and I'm many shocked it because of I don't expect this kind of picture. And when I this picture hanging my wall, that time my room is very uh, attractive this picture, and I really like and took a picture, and it is my memorable day in my whole life. Any taken picture, this is the one of the best picture I think.